Hello my charming people, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to create this super cute hairstyle which is inspired by Hina Khan. Recently I saw her in this hairstyle and I really liked it. So without talking too much, let's get started with the video. You just follow the steps, enjoy this video, I'll meet you in the end. So I really hope guys you enjoyed this video, you liked this hairstyle. If you really liked it, please press that like button. It means a lot to me, and also become part of this charming family by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. That's all for today. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.